Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to build a one-page scrolling site. And with that I mean a site that you click on the links and it just scrolls down to the various sections on the page, takes you where you need to go. Really easy to do, and it's a question that always comes up on how you make the menu for it, etc. So let's start. I'm going to start from scratch and we'll build this thing as quickly as we can. So let's create a new page. I'm going to go up, add a new page. Now let's call it one page scroller. We'll use the Divi builder. And let's choose a pre-made layout for this today. And Divi comes with all kinds of different layouts for you to choose from. I think there's 1878 in total there. That's plenty. Just choose what it is you're looking for. Let's have a look at the copywriter here. And we've got a landing page. I'm going to click on the landing page and let's view the live demo. Yeah, that's fine. That'll work for me. Populate it with whatever you want, content you want to put in there. So I'm going to hit use this layout. There we go, and that took about 30 seconds to load. Okay, once we load it up, obviously you're going to want to go in there and change the text to what you want. You can just go into the module like that and style it, or with text you can just actually click on it, put in whatever it is you want to change yours to. With buttons, obviously you can put whatever link you want to take them to. Let's take this to the contact. Let's put this as a button to the contact section, which I'm sure there is one down the bottom. I didn't check. So for the link I'm going to put hashtag contact, and that'll make sense in a minute, so I'm just going to save that. And obviously you continue going down and putting in whatever it is you want to put in instead of what they've got here. Okay, well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to wireframe mode, which is the little icon down here to the left. Click on that. It'll take us to the back end. And to make our little one-page menu work, we've got to assign CSS IDs for the actual sections that we want to go to. There's a contact form on the bottom there. Fantastic. Okay, well, let's start at the bottom and work our way up. Let's call this contact section. To scroll to it, you can do this on a row or a module. I'm going to do it with the actual sections. I'm going to go in, I'm going to give it a CSS ID, not a class, an ID. It's important you don't give it a class. I'm going to call this one contact. Yeah, let's go up a couple. Call it testimonial, this one. Again, CSS IDs. Another call to action. Let's do feature. Well, actually there's more above, so let's actually roll up. Do feature on the first one. Again, CSS ID, not class. You can call these what you want. I'm just calling them the names that are there for convenience, but you can call them what you want as long as they're unique for us to scroll to in a minute. I guess we'll call this about. Again, CSS ID. There's another about down there. And the hero section at the top, I'm just going to call it top. Or hero, call it what you want. I'm just going to call mine top. Okay, well, we've given this thing various IDs. If we switch back Now we need to make a menu that's actually going to scroll to them. So let's go to the dashboard. And we'll create a menu. I'm going to go down to Appearance and Menus. Okay, let's create a new menu. Give it a name. Just call it One Page. Create the menu. Now we can use our custom links down here, not regular links, custom links to link to each of those sections. So we'll start with first one, we called it Top, the hero section. So because it's CSS ID, it has to start with a hashtag and then the CSS ID, which was top. And we can call it what we want, the name that we'll see up there. Call that one Home. And we'll do the other one. Next one was About, wasn't it? So CSS ID, hashtag About. And again, call it whatever you want to call it. Then we had Features. Or feature, a singular, wasn't it? So I'll put it plural in the description. If you don't get it exactly right, it won't work. Features. I think we had a couple more. Let's have a look back at this end here. Got our About. Got our Features. Testimonial we had, didn't we? So let's add testimonial. And its CSS ID was testimonial, so it's hashtag again. And call it testimonials. Like I said earlier, it doesn't matter what you call it, as long as you get that bit right, you can call it what you want here. Add this to the menu, and I know there was contact, and that'll do, won't it? And obviously that's hashtag, and we called it contact. Okay, well let's save this menu now. We actually want to make sure it's assigned to our top menu or our primary menu. If I flip back, this menu up here is our primary menu. The one on the top there is the secondary menu. So I'm going to put our new one right there. So let's assign it by putting a check mark in there. Primary menu. Okay, well, let's exit our visual builder here, make sure everything's saved. We'll publish this page because you're going to want to set it as the front page once you've got your one-page scrolling site. And we'll exit the visual builder, and let's go and set this as our front page. So I'm going to go down to Customize, Dashboard, down to Customize under Appearance. That's going to take us to this page, and if we go down, we've got home page settings right here. Let's put our new single page one as the home page, and we called it one page scroller. So we can publish it now. Every time anybody goes to the domain name, this is where it'll take them. Now if we look at our page here, here's our new menu: Home, About Us, Features, Testimonials, and Contact Us. About Us should take us down. Features should take us down to the first feature. Testimonials should take us down to the testimonials. Contact Us should take us all the way down to the bottom to the little Contact Us form. And Home will take us back up to the top there. And if you remember, I put the CSS ID as the link for this button. So this should take us down to the contact form. There we go, just like that. So there you go, guys. That's how simple it is to create a one-page scrolling website with a Divi theme. It's ridiculously easy. And as far as the links goes, that's going to work with any sort of WordPress site you care to do. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.